Welcome to Podcast CV. We are into the podcast of online interviews where HR representatives can have the chance to see candidates with confidence, presentation, and communication skills, which will give an additional value to one's traditional CV. We have with us today Mr. Mallikarjun Patel. Thank you for joining us, sir. So please tell us a little bit about yourself, sir, your background.
I am from Karnataka. I am a semi-qualified chartered accountant. Presently, my work location is at Hyderabad. I am working for Lifestyle International Private Limited from past 12 years. My main key role is into internal audit domain. Coming to my personal background, I have one kid. My wife is working as a school teacher. My parents stays in my native place, Raichur.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit about your career graph as well, please?
Okay. I have over 14 years of experience in internal audit. My main focus area is into process and controls. I have 3 industry experience. First one is manufacturing company. The second is service oriented, and third is retail background.
Okay.
In manufacturing company, the whole process and controls from the A to Z of how the product is getting manufactured, right from tracking each and every activity, the process and controls has been set in place. And we used to set the process and accordingly check the compliance to it.
Okay.
With respect to service industry, my main core area was into Foreign Exchange Management Act relating to KYC guidelines compliance by the company. And coming to retail, we need to ensure the process and controls are in place with respect to customer services and also the statutory compliance, human resources background, and coming to the financial part with respect to collections. So the reconciliations of the treasury functions and the human resources department, marketing department, supply chain management, all process of how the service is being catered to the customer will be checked into in detail.
All right. Okay. Would you mind telling us a few of your key strengths as well?
My key strength is into analytical things, completely understanding the business and implementing the process where and all controls are supposed to be required. So considering all the objectives in mind with related to the guidelines set by the management and also the necessary instructions from the regulatory angles as well as the statutory angles, a process will be put in place wherein the auditing needs to follow. And we are just observing the process which are set is being followed, and accordingly an audit will be conducted based on the samples, and the same will be given in the form of a report to the senior management with regards to the risk areas, high risk, low risk, medium risk, and accordingly classifying which is the area where the management needs to put in controls or key important decisions needs to be taken with respect to the meeting of the objective.
All right. Okay. Now, could you also mention to us, have you been able to upgrade your skills during your quarantine of COVID-19?
Yeah, during my quarantine time, I have taken an online course with respect to information system and control assurance and forensic audit, forensic accounting and audit. These are the 2 special online courses which I have completed, and presently I am just looking after the artificial intelligence and data analytics course, which will be soon commencing from the coming Monday.
And now for a final question, sir. Do you have any location preference?
I am open to any location. First preference will be Hyderabad or Bangalore or Pune. I am open to any locations if the job roles fits to me anywhere.
Okay. All right. So thank you once again, Mr. Patil, for being a part of our video.
I'm very much thankful.
And if anyone is interested or willing to make their video CV, please visit our website at www.podcastcv.com or write to us at info@podcastcv.com.